Oh, these are expired, by the way.
Throw it in the garbage. It's a Rooster sale. Is it on sale? The Rooster.
Are you recording or something?
Yeah.
Why?
Where's that receipt?
Apat lang ang binili mo?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, naiubos mo ba yan?
Apat lang ba ang limit nila?
People think I'm big when I'm holding like 4 chip bags. Come on.
Kahit sinaula. Halo-halo pa more. Oh no, Daddy, did you get Jake's cookies?
What's cookie?
There it is, soft date.
But I want the chocolate chip.
Well,
Chips
stop being picky.
I want Chips Ahoy.
Ahoy, mateys! I don't have ahoy, mateys.
Talagang yung patronize ka ni dyan now, ah. No more US shopping. I mean, go to US company. For the whole March break. That's your snack.
Yeah, and I'm gonna eat it all.
So you may remember where you put them. Bumili ka ng gulay? Anong gulay? Ang habo natin sa kain. Sa bakmak. Makmak. Papaya or sayote? Tinola. Tawag. Okay. Subukan natin ng isang katerba para masarap. Takpan na natin. Dami ka basta ni Brenda, ah. Naka-sale din ba yan?
Hindi ko binili ito ngayon. Nabili na namin sa Walmart. Wala din ako masyadong namimili ngayon.
Mga palabas silang lahat dahil March break na yan.
So chicken salmon. Let's alternate them.
Bring your skate.
Hey!
Oh, goodness. Bring your skateboard down, skating shoes outside. I mean, downstairs in the basement, Sophie. Ano, utsura na ng skating mo. Ang dongwit na ng skating mo. So may lalagyan ngayon. Ito lang kanina. Ito lang putiin. Sige. Ang oras ay Hey Jakey, how is it?
Good.
Good. What are you doing right now?
Eat this.
And what show are you playing?
Minecraft.
Minecraft still? Oh no. 10 more minutes for your Minecraft and then we can find something else better to do, okay?
Like autistic?
Yeah, you can draw it. I can draw it. Same.
I thought he said autistic.
Artistic. Said autistic though, Jake.